Violet here. Welcome to Sincerely Violet Dance and Sing channel. Today I'm going to share with you some skills that I learned recently. I learned to make heart shapes using hands and fingers. So there are many ways to make a heart shape using our hands and fingers. And this is part of the hand dance, or we can call it hand tutting techniques. So yes, I hope this video, after you watch this video, I hope this video will be helpful and inspiring for you. And after you watch this video, you can even come up with your own hand dance move to make a heart shape. So let's start. So I'm going to show you heart shape number 1. So ready? So this is your hand. So basically you bend your fingers here. This is your thumb, and then you do the same way as the other hand. So you bend and then you put it together. So this is heart shape number 1. Okay, so number 2. So let's start with this position. So this is number 2, right? So you put them facing you, and then you connect them, and this one, your index, you bend a little your index finger, okay? And this is your middle finger, like this. Okay, this is heart shape number 2. Okay, now let's go to heart shape number 3. So you put like this together, your fingers, and then this is your thumb. You just do like this, and then you'll be able to make a heart shape. Of course, you can make an inverted heart shape as well, like this. Okay, this is an inverted one, means it's upside down. Okay, of course you can do like this, and of course you can do like this as well. So this is our heart shape number 3. So next one, heart shape number 4. Okay, you can't. So basically you just need to use your thumb and your index finger. So this is heart shape number 4. Of course, you can make an inverted one as well. Upside down. Yes, the heart upside down. So this is heart shape number 4. Okay. Of course, you can, if you don't want to do this, of course you can have your own version. Like you can lose your fingers here as well. Right. So this is heart shape number 4. And number 5, this is heart shape number 5. So basically you have your thumb facing down and your index finger, and then the other finger like this. This is heart shape number 5. Okay. And we have our heart shape number 6. So this technique I learned from a child as well. So from my student. So this so basically you have 2 of your hands. You just put them together. Okay, and with your thumb you just stick it to your fingers here, and like this one as well. And then you just do like this. Okay, like this, put them together. Okay, just now it's like this, right? The thumb facing down, down is like this. Okay, this is heart shape number 6, right? Heart shape number 6. And then we have our heart shape number 7, like this. So your hand, you put it together and then like this. Okay, this is heart shape number 7. And then we have our, okay, you can Okay, just now you can actually make two heart shapes as well. Just now you make like this, right? And then okay, just now like this, and you can actually make you can use your middle finger as well, put it here, and then your index finger like this. So you can see you have like a double heart shape. Okay, so this is heart shape number 8. And of course, this is more difficult. I don't really use this, I don't really do this often, frequently, because it's a bit unusual. You can't use your last, the small finger here to make a heart shape as well. Some people like to make like this, alright? You can close it. This is a bit difficult for me. Okay, like this. Okay, it's a heart shape. So this is heart shape number 9. And this one, very common one, heart shape number 10. Okay, very common one. This one is just your thumb and your index finger. You just put them together like this. Okay, number 10. And let me think. Yes, and then is there any other way to make a heart shape using your fingers? I think that should be it, right? I really cannot think of any. But anyway, let's move on. So next one, this is your shoulder. You can make like a band shape like this and like this. So this is a heart as well, as you can see. The shape here. And you can do something like this as well. So your hand here facing yourself, facing your face, but bend. Okay, bend towards you. And the other hand facing that way and bend towards the other way. So this is another heart shape as well. Okay, this is heart shape number, I think it's 11, right, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 11, heart shape 11. Okay, and or 12, I don't know. I think just now this is number 10, is it? And this is number 11 or 12. Okay, you go and count it. And what else? Yes, the very common one, you can see children make this a lot. So this is a heart shape as well. Okay, this is heart shape number 12 or 13. I couldn't really remember already. But yes, this is another way that you can make a heart. And I don't know. So I think basically that's it. So there are many ways. Of course, there are other ways to make a heart shape as well. So yes, I hope this video will be helpful for you. And yes, feel free to learn to make a heart shape using hands or fingers. Learn these techniques together with me. And I hope this video is inspiring for you, and I'll see you next time.